2007 Honda CRV. Today we're gonna replace the blend actuator. So it's this one is on the driver's side. So first thing is make sure it's on the cold side all on the way. Okay, and then we have to remove this gas pedal, and it's holding for by two nuts number 12. So we're gonna disconnect it. Just press this clip and just pull it up. So it has one nut on the top, that one, and that one right there. They are number 12. Okay, make sure you disconnect your ground cable from the battery before you remove the gas pedal. So this is my 12 millimeter socket. We're going to remove the gas pedal. Alright, just carefully remove it. And now we got plenty of room to remove the blend actuator. We're going to use a number 7. And we are going to remove 3 screws. Is that one, this one, and this one. So it's number 7. Alright, so just make sure it's on the cold position again. And then we're gonna disconnect it from, you see the green connector there, just push that and just pull down and just remove the actuator. Okay. Alrighty. So this is the new one. As you can see, it's not in the same position that the old one. So we're gonna put it in the same position. So we're gonna take it to the plug. We're gonna plug it. Okay, now it's plugged in. Alright, so now make sure it's on the cold side. Then we're gonna turn on the ignition on the on position. And then as you can see, it's turning. So we turn it off. We remove it for the plug. And so as you can see, it's in the same position the old one. Okay. So now we're gonna remove the little flap that is there. It's holding for a small clip. Just be careful to not break that clip. Just try to do it really gentle. Okay. If you can add a little bit of WD-40, that will help a lot. So just take the time to remove this little plastic part. Alrighty, so just wiggle a little bit and it's out, and just we put it on the new one. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit of the white grease to add in the little flap that is in there, right there, the little groove there, right there. To lubricate that part right there. And also when I clean this a little bit, all right. Okay, so you can see this little part should be there in the group right there. So just take your time to put it in the right position there. Okay, so as you can see, there you go. All right. So you take your time to put this in there. All right. So I use one screw to hold it, and just double check that it's inside the groove. And when you are 100% sure, just reinstall all the 3 screws. All right, double check. So just plug it in again, and just double check the is working, the actuator. So just put the kit in the ignition switch and the on position, and just turn the knob to the heat and the cold side. So and make sure the actuator is moving, as you can see here. So that is the heat position, the heater, and that one is in the cold position there. So it's fine, it's working properly now. So now we're going to restart the gas pedal, and if you want to torque these nuts right there, you're going to torque at 17 foot-pounds. And just plug the connector there. Alrighty, so the last thing is just add the covers. This one right there. This one got two clips that is holding the part there and the bottom part. So basically, guys, that's it. I hope this video helped you to do it by yourself. We changed the actuator because it was not heat, because the actuator was not working. So that's why we replaced the blend actuator. Alright, thank you guys, and thanks for watching. See you next time.